I never used Zoom before.
Yeah, me too, sir. I always use Google Meet.
I
Me too.
used to use
Same
Teams.
here. Same here. Don't think I was aware of. Don't think that. I'm also very new like you, but I know I learned along with you. Yeah. So searching we have seen, right? Sequential search, right? We have list of element. This is called sequential search because we are searching one after another element, right? Another searching technique is called binary search. So for binary search, we need sorted elements. So first one we have learned sequential search. This is the second one, binary search. Okay.
Sir,
Binary search needs sorted elements. If you know, if you have sorted element, then you can easily do binary search. Yeah, tell me.
nothing, sir. Can you give me 2 minutes? I'm working on the other code.
No, let us complete this. You can keep on working. There's nothing wrong. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Is this hard or complicated?
it's
If it
very easy. Let
okay.
us come. So I'll ask you one interesting question. Sequential search and binary search. I want to compare before that. If some element is there, okay, in this list, suppose that some element is there, then what would be the minimum number of comparison and what would be the maximum number of comparison? What would you like? I want to search any element. What would be the best case? Like, what is possibility that I can find in only one comparison?
One line, you can use count function.
No, no, it's not the question. Let me repeat again. See, I have some list, okay? My question is, it will have some element, right? Suppose that 8, 4, 3, 2, 14, and 9. Okay. So my point is, what is the best case scenario for getting one element? Best case. Best case means you can get an element in only one comparison. This is called best case scenario.
What's a comparison?
Comparison
Compare.
means suppose the element which I am
Oh,
searching for.
no,
Suppose
comparison.
that yeah, comparison,
I
yeah.
get it, sir. Yes, yes. Sorry.
So I suppose that this 8 I am searching and 8 will be found at the first index, right? So this is
Okay.
only one comparison, right? You can say if you this is the list one. So only one element we have checked and we found my element which I was searching for. So the best comparison is the best case is the only one comparison. What would be the worst case? It's very difficult to type right using mouse. Worst case means how many comparison, maximum comparison would be there. What is the maximum comparison?
The length of the function?
The length of the list.
Yeah, the length of the list.
So what is the length of the list here?
6.
6. So 6 is the maximum comparison. One more case is there. If you don't find anything, then also we have to compare all, right? Element is not found in that case also we have to do n comparison, like the number of the based on the list of the number. Okay. If some element is not found, we'll check here, 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 we'll check. Nowhere is found means we have to do maximum number of comparison. You got the point? What is the best case scenario? What is the worst case scenario for searching?
Yeah.
So it will best case is 1 and worst case is how many times we have to search? We write O1 means this is the best case. The O of n means n comparison. How many elements are there? That many comparison. I don't say this is, and this, let us assume this is element, okay, not n. Otherwise, it will get confusion. This is the element we need to search. Okay. On means this is just O, capital O. This is called big O notation. Big O notation means in one comparison you can find the element, or best case, worst case means the last element. Okay. Now we will learn about the this is the part of sequential search, right?
Okay.
Now we'll learn about the binary search. Okay.
Does it search all at once?
In binary search we'll learn what we are going to do. Suppose this is the list of element, and
Okay.
we will have some element here.
So are you having a hard time writing?
It's okay. Now we are very close to hours.
If you want, I can write, that's why.
It's okay. I don't have very hard time, but just only it is not looking good to see here. That's all. Otherwise, it's fine. So this is the one list of element. Okay. I want to do binary search. If we have to do binary means two-way search.
So like this.
If we have to do binary search, in that case, what I have to do? I have to sort this. This list should be sorted. Okay. We need to perform sorting on this. And how we can do sorting? One option is there. We can just write, suppose that there is a list one, then list one dot sort, and this list will be sorted. Am I right or wrong?
You're right, sir.
Great.
So, but you
B.
have to have a variable to it anyway.
These are one way. Just use this one, it will sort your the list. And then once you sort the list, then we can apply binary search. I'll tell you how to do that, but before that, we want to revise this concept. Second one of step is there. We can apply multiple ways. There are 10 ways to do sorting. 10 ways are there. How many ways are there? 10 ways. But we will learn how many? Tell me. How many want to learn out of 10?
Two.
You don't. Only one.
Nice, sir.
So I'll tell you what are those 10. Just I'll tell you the name to aware of. We'll learn selection sort. I can type in the notebook actually. Selection sort. Another is called bubble sort. Some other is called insertion sort. I'll type there in the notebook again, okay? Fourth one is called merge sort. Fifth one is called quick sort. Sixth is called heap sort. Likewise, we have more. Seventh is bucket sort. Eighth is called cell sort. Ninth and 10th, I don't remember. Like eventually more possibilities are there, like B sort, B tree sorting, B sort, B tree, B plus tree. So many ways are there. Okay. Yeah, but these six are most of the people will be aware of. But what I'm telling you is extra. And I'm going to explain about this one selection sort. Okay. One of the sorting. Selection and bubble are quite related. I'll tell you both, Randeep, if you want to know. I can explain you this one also very easily. So this one is the easiest way, right?
Sir,
This another way. This one
that,
we can do using a loop, using selection sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, or merge sort. Yeah, tell me, Randeep.
sir, can you like explain the argument thing, the one you said once?
Come to that one later on. Let me complete what I started. Okay.
Okay, but are
I'll
they
tell
both
you. I
argument?
want to tell you before that selection sort first.
Okay.
I'll explain you here selection sort. What is selection sort? We'll take this element and compare with this one. This is called iteration 1. This is called iteration 1. Then this is iteration 1. Then iteration 2. Iteration 2, what I will do? I'll just copy paste this part again so that I don't have to type again. Okay. Iteration 2. This element will be compared with this one next iteration. Okay. I'll again copy paste this one.
I think it.
Okay. Iteration 3. Tell me, what will be iteration 3?
8 and 81.
Correct. You got it. You capture 100% correct, Daniel. Clap for you. So this time it will compare here. Iteration 3. Likewise, iteration 4, 8 with 19. Iteration 5, I'll explain you 5 here itself. 5, this one. So how many elements are there? 6. And how many comparisons are required? N minus 1 comparison. Right? This is comparison. Comparing this one with this one, this one, this one, like that, right? You know, after doing all this comparison, I'll find place of one element at its right place. What it will do, this whole set of iteration, 5 iteration, it will push either the smallest element here or the largest element here. Either smallest here or the largest here. Like depends like which kind of sorting you're doing. Increasing sort or decreasing sort. Once we get suppose that we got the smallest element here, then I have to start another like uh, iteration actually. Okay. In another iteration, like because we'll find that after doing this, 8 will be placed here because it is the smallest one here. Now it will start comparison from here to here, like 9 to 10, then again 9 to 81, then again 9 to 19, then again 9 to 23. This is a second iteration again. So in this, what will happen? Again, the second largest element will be kept here. Likewise, the next iteration again, it will start from here and it will compare like this. 10 to 81, then 10 to 19, then 10 to 23. If you do this, what will happen? 10 is already this, so this will be here. Then again, among these three, this operation will happen. So 81 to 19, 81 to 23. Okay. And then in this case, what will happen? Among these three, the 19 is the list. So 19 will come here. And 81 will come here. Then one more time, 23 and 83 will be completed. So this is called selection sort. Means we select one element and compare rest of them. Then again, we select another element and compare with the rest. Again, select one element, compare with the rest. This is called selection sort. So this you can do through using nested loop. Are you getting or it is just bouncing to you? Tell me. Are you getting?
Somewhat, to some extent, yes, but fully no. Can you go back, sir?
You want me to explain again that one?
Like quickly.
Actually, I did some. I should have been used proper board to explain you step by step. Then it would have been very easy. I used only one.
Sir,
page
isn't this
of,
what we're doing now? No?
sorry,
Isn't this what we're doing right now?
I'm writing code for the same.
No, but didn't we just do this, is what I'm asking.
I can do that. Wait. I'll print here. You can see from here. Don't worry. If list one of I is greater than list one of j, then we have to do something called swapping. Temp equal to list one of I, list one of I equal to list one of j, and then list one of j equal to temp. This will be called swapping. Okay. Once you do this and then print the element list one, you'll find that these are sorted list are. So list one of I is greater than, then we are doing swapping. It is a decreasing order. And if I make it list one of I like this, then it will become increasing order. List one of I. Now I'll show you what I'm telling you. What is happening here? What I was doing there, okay? Just every iteration I'll print the list one. You'll see its iteration will increase. Iteration. I list key. See what it is telling? At iteration 0, my element list was like this. See, this one and that one will match, right? At iteration 1, what happened? 18 come here and rest of the things are pushed here. 8 came on this guy. Next iteration, what happened? 13 came here and the rest of them are pushed right side. At the next iteration, again, 8 came on the first place and rest of them are pushed right side. Among the next step, 9. 9 is placed at the right place. Actually, we can do some more adjustment here. So the way exactly it will look like there. At the
So
next, yeah, tell me.
temp.
Yeah, that not temp. We have to see how we are putting here now I and j. Based on that, we have to see and condition.
So temp is just a variable in this case.
Temp is just swapping the values from here to there. That's all.
But is it a built-in function or a variable?
No, temp is some temporary variable. You can put x.
Okay.
It is performing the swap. Means if list one of I is a smaller than the first value is smaller than the next value, then we are swapping. Eventually, that's why I'm surprised. If it is smaller than we are swapping, something wrong with what I'm getting surprised a bit. If list one of I is smaller than list one of j, and okay. In this case, this one is a smaller this all this compare. Right, smaller. In the smaller case, we are getting this a small element here. List one, list j, I, j. Okay, let me try with I and j with 1 or I plus 1 this time. Okay, this is correct because I was using the every time from the beginning. That's why it was doing that way. Now it is correct. See, this is the correct way which I was doing there. That will happen here. What I was doing there. What I was doing here, that will match here properly. Means when I'm taking I here, J will be taken from here and then J will go onwards up to here. Next time I will become this one, like next element, and then J will go from that onwards. This is the better way. Do you understand what is happening here? First time I means I is 0, right? I is 0. So means we are taking this element and comparing with the rest of them. If it is more greater than the next rest of the element, then it will perform the swapping.
So this is so that we can search faster, right?
No, this is, yeah, like so this is the sorting, arranging. Like if you do the simply list one dot sort, it internally does this operation. You take some list, and if you do list one dot sort, it will do the same for you.
Internally, though.
Yeah, yes, internally. It will do does like you see, both are giving same result. See the above one and below one. You got it or not?
No, sir. I'm being honest.
Great.
Mhm.
I'll explain again. Should I explain again here? I'll take some other list, then I will explain
Sir,
you.
take an actual whiteboard, video call, and WhatsApp and explain, sir.
No. I'll just do it here, don't worry. I'll do it again. I'll take 5 elements. 1,
Or maybe
2.
do it with a smaller amount of elements.
Yeah, that's what 5 is fine. 5 is not good.
That
I'll
is good,
take
sir.
suppose that 20, 8, 3, 10, and 12. Okay. So what I said, suppose this is the array, this is the list of A, okay? Then A of I will be compared with A of I, if A of guy is greater than A of J, where J will start from I plus 1. This is what I said, right? When I say I means I is indicating here, and J equal to I plus 1 means this is indicating this one element. This element means index I am talking about. I is index, J is index. You should understand that. When I is 0, J will be 1. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay. So what I'm telling you, if A of I is greater than A of J, where J is I plus 1, it means it will compare 20 to 8. Is 20 greater than 8? Then it is saying that swap them. Swap home. Tell me. Swap A of I with A of J. You get my point? It means when swapping will happen, 8 will come here, 20 will go there. And this keeps on going. 15 and 12. You got my point? Next time J was at 1, now J will be increasing, right? J will become 2. So I is still here and J came here. It is indicating this element. Now again it will compare 8 greater than 3.
Sir, I have one question.
This condition will be checked again. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, how is J indexing from backwards?
It is going forward, not backward.
Huh?
See, I is 0, J was 1, then J became 2. but I will be on the same, the first element itself.
So I is just the first element and J keeps on shifting.
Right. Yes,
Okay.
Janya, you got it. And once J will reach here, then again I will shift only once.
Okay, sir. I think we can conclude today. I'll sleep on it. I mean, what I mean is like I'll study on it and we'll continue tomorrow.
No, it's simple.
Great. Yeah, Janya, good.
Can
Great to
I
encourage
try
him.
once? Sir, can I try once?
Actually, he's very sleepy today. Understood. He played, no? That's why. That's why he's not
Oh,
understood. Otherwise, it's very
oh, sir,
easy.
I didn't play. My racket string broke.
Then why you are speaking like this? So here I
Wait.
and J again we are comparing. If it is more than this one, yeah, Janya, go ahead. Take your time.
Okay.
Explain her. Explain him.
So basically, what's happening here is that um, so I is first. It's I is here, and J goes all the way to the end.
Okay,
So
so
J will be when I is eight. Eight. Wait, my hand. Just a second, sir. Eight. Eight.
Try,
Eight.
no problem. Failure is the big road of success.
So they're like five eighths. Eight. I will be eight for five times because there are like five elements here, and J will go from eight to
no, but
20.
I see what you mean. But that's the loop property. The outer loop is always first. The inner loop goes through all the elements.
So the same thing.
No, I get this, but I don't see the purpose of this.
What do you mean by the purpose? It's just swapping. If huh. So what do you not get?
Okay, it's okay. Chill out. I get
Okay.
it. Sir, you can
So this
continue.
is basically the same thing.
Okay, sir, this is the loop thing. It goes on like that. This
Right.
is basic function of loop, right?
Yes.
Sir, you could have just said that.
Yes. Basic function. Yes, it is.
Just say the operation system of this is the same as the operating system of loop.
Yes, modus operandi is it. Using loop only we can do the shifting, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Outer
this is called selection sort. Why? Because we are selecting only one element at a time and comparing rest of them. One position is fixed like this. It will compare like here, then here, then here. But in bubble sort, what will happen? We'll compare like if you take another sort, you need to spend some time on watch this video, go through that code which I have given.
sir,
In
not that.
bubble sort, what will happen? I will tell you bubble sort
I'll
briefly.
just solve CCC questions when I require the topic. I'll learn it, sir. That's how,
Yeah, it's not required for LCC, that's right. But anyway, I want to teach you.
sir.
In bubble sort will happen, I will be here and J will be here, okay? In this case, I will also increase and J will also increase. Then I come here and J will come here. Next time, I will come here, J will come here, I and J. Then again, it will come here. Once it will be done, then you will find that your smallest or biggest element will be fixed here. So next time, again we will start I and J here, again I and J here, again I and J here. And second iteration, the second largest or second smallest element will be fixed here. Then again we'll compare like this and we like this. Then third element will be fixed here. Then one
Yes.
more, just last comparison here and here you do and do the swapping. This is called bubble sort. Means I and J both will shift one after another. But in selection sort, I will be fixed at the first index and J will be moving, keep on moving. This is called selection and bubble difference between. If you want to see the code of bubble sort, I can write quickly for you. You want to me to write or just it's
Yes,
okay?
sir. Right, and then after you're done with this, can you explain the function thing?
Okay, sure. So if you want to do bubble sort, what will happen? We have to take, we have to shift I and J, right? So, okay, let me think. So I and J will go up to then minus. Actually, initially what I wrote, I plus 1.
So the thing is going to end in 10 minutes. So by tomorrow,
That's
sir,
good enough. Okay, fine.
we
Don't
will
worry.
have to find another meeting app, sir.
Wait, what's wrong with Zoom?
We have to keep sending this stupid shit. I get tired of this. Not for sending, but it just ends.
It's okay.
Listen up to the flow.
We already done. List one of I. First time I will be 0. It will go up to the int. Next time one element is fixed. So okay. First time what code I wrote that time? That was actually the bubble sort. The very first time what I code I wrote. Then I corrected when I did it y plus 1. This is correct. In this case, what is happening? I need to start with I plus 1. I don't want to do that. Maybe we can do in a way that j and j plus 1. If I want to do j, I equal to 0, j into j plus 1. Yes, this is also j plus 1. Second, let me think a bit. J and j plus 1. This should solve the problem, I guess. J, j, j plus 1, j plus 1. Okay. And this loop will go up to len left minus I. Should be correct. Let's see the output. Index out of 10 because j plus 1 means here I plus 1. I minus 1, j plus 1, j minus 1. J. Yes. See. The first time, the largest element is going at the end. Second time, largest element is going at the end. Then third time, third largest on the end. Like this. If you give suppose that some other reverse order thing, you can realize this very easily. I'll keep something like this here. 8, 5, 1. See. The first time 20 came here. From the first position to the last position, 20 came. Second time 18 came. Third time 13. Then 8. Then 5. Then 1. This is bubble sort. Done. Bubble means what is happening? It is comparing this first time. It will compare these two and 20 will come here. Okay. If you want to do that, you can do this one. If you do inside this, then you'll find so many every iteration very clearly. Means I and j. See, now you can see more detail. When I is 0, j is 0. This is 18, 20. Like first time it has. Let me print once before that so that it will become. First time it is 18, 20, 13 like this, but when it will compare 20, 18, it will see 20 is greater than 18, then 20 will go here and then 18 will come here. See, next time it will compare these two, then 20 will come here. See, 20 come here, 13 come here like this. Same thing you can do here also to better understand it. See here. In this, what is happening? And we should print once list one to have better comparison at one place. 2018 will be compare and then swapping will happen. See 20 came here. Then 18 and 13 will be compared. Then 18 will come here. See. Then this index means 8 and here. Sorry. 13 and 8 will be compared. Then 8 came here. 13 came here. Then 8 and 9 will be compared. This will be left as it is. Then 8 and 10 is compared. This will be left as it is. That's all. So when 0 and I print j also here. Then you can see once I is going from 0 and j will go from 1 to 5. By doing one iteration, one element will be kept at the very beginning, the list element. When this one will compare, the next smallest element will come here. When third index will compare, then 10 will come here like this. This is better way. I'll searching and sorting, I'll write here. And then I'll upload the code. You can look into this if you want. Okay, with that, we'll stop the. If you have any doubt, you can ask, otherwise we can stop.
Sir, can you explain the parameter argument thingy?
Argument thing. You have a specific question, then I can explain you like what question you want.
Sir, can you go back to the function, the code I sent you?
Oh, you send me some code.
Sir, I sent you some code and you put it in Jupyter, right? Yeah, this one.
This one. Yeah, tell me which one you want to understand. This X.
Yeah, can you make it work that way? Can you teach me how?
Uh, sorry. What?
Like put a parameter over there and then we can put like
It.
argument in the bracket itself.
Okay. Here I want to put some value.
No, we have to put input.
Here only. This one.
Sir,
It is already written with argument, right? I'm taking some value as input here. I'm passing this value here. Then we are creating some list. This converting. That's fine. Then this what argument we are passing, that is searching here. What is your doubt in this? Like which part you are not clear with?
okay. Oh
Oh,
no,
yeah.
no. Just post this thing, sir.
Oh, okay. Anyway, I'll be sharing this code. Okay,
I,
I'll stop this recording. Yeah, tell me.
I think you can